Alright, so we've made it to the Melbourne Club at
Brocket Hall.
Brocket Hall.
Yes, we're really excited. I think it's gonna rain today, so we're gonna try to be prepared for that.
Even though we don't have an umbrella.
Or a rain glove or like a
Raincoat.
club cover, but it's okay. We're Californians, but
Yeah.
we're slowly getting used to the rain. It's been raining every day since we've been here,
Yeah.
I think.
It's kind of crazy because it rains really, really hard and then it's sunny and then 10 minutes later it rains really, really hard again.
Yeah, it's kind of like Florida.
Yeah,
I feel like.
it's cool though.
Yeah.
It's a nice change of pace. So today we're going to be playing a 9-hole match. It's going to be match play. We're going to start on the 10th hole and finish on the 18th. So stay tuned.
Nice shot.
Pretty good. Got some food in my belly.
I hit a little left, so I still got a long ways to go. I'm gonna take my 4-iron. Kind of hit it down there, so I have a good third shot in. Okay, moving it forward.
Are you trying to rush so you can eat?
Yeah, we haven't ate all day. It's
I
like
know.
2 p.m.
You hungry?
Yes. We have our soup. I don't know what soup this is, but
It's potato and leek soup.
it's really good though. Okay.
Okay.
How far is it?
242. Yeah, I can't really reach it, but I hit a killer 3-wood. I can get about 10 yards. Oh, that was pretty good. Get to the left.
Hey, a little left. Okay.
Probably like 20 yards? 74 yards.
Take my 56-degree wedge. It's a new wedge, so it should have a lot of spin on it. Just a little nice half shot, half swing. Get on the green. Ooh, that is into the sun. Hit. Ooh! Oh, it hit the pin!
Oh my god. Wait.
It was like right next to the hole.
I know. I did get a zoom on that.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Can't see.
I like this new wedge. We've arrived on the green. That's Kat's ball. And we have Izzy going for her chip.
Pretty darn close.
For eagle chip. See how close she can get this. Little long. Okay, now we're both going for birdies.
Okay, it is left to right. The greens are a bit slower just because it's been rainy every day,
True.
but I'm just gonna give it a good go. Oh, shit. Oh my god. That broke so much. I was not expecting that.
If I make this, I win this hole. So, hope I make it.
Oh,
I'll give you that.
thanks. Match play.
Yeah, match play. Right, we're on hole 11. It's a par 5, 450 yards. Pretty straightforward hole here. Just hit it down the middle, and you'll be safe. Ooh, I hit a good shot.
Alright, one down. Gonna have to get a good shot to get one back. That's pretty good. Oh, shit. Wait. Don't go in that bunker.
Okay, just on the
Good.
rough.
Just short. Okay. I have 207 yards. Not the best lie, but I'm gonna take a 5 wood. I'm just trying to get it close. It's par 5. Oh, that was last. It's okay though.
Where'd it go? On the green.
No, it went left of that bunker.
Okay. 183. A little windy.
Oh, big drive.
Thank you. Take my 6 iron. Par 5. Let's see if I can get it on the green. Nope.
Oops. That went to the right.
Alright. Got a shot over the bunker. A little bit tricky here.
It's gonna be a high shot, but I just have a bit of green to work with, so I'm just gonna do a simple chip. Ah! No.
A little short.
That was not a simple chip.
That's Kat's 3rd shot. Oops. Right. The door just opened. I mean, kind of. I could make that, hypothetically.
Oh my god.
Okay. Kat for birdie. Alright. That's good.
You're not gonna give this to me?
It's a little long. And this is a tide hole.
Well, good thing I don't need it. Oh my god, I left it short twice in a row.
Okay. We're on hole 12, par 4, 334 yards. Kind of a tricky hole because we gotta hit right there. Strategy. Make sure we don't get into those pot bunkers there. I'm gonna use a 4 iron. Get it somewhere in the middle.
Just solid shot.
Left. It's alright. Okay, nice shot. Okay, 178. That's really far.
How do you like your sausage bop?
It's good. I just expected it to be like something else in there.
You expected it to be a sandwich?
Mm-hmm. But, okay. 175. Take my 5 iron. Since I'm under the tree, I'm gonna punch it. Bunker on the right. So I'm gonna try to miss last as possible. Sit. Oh no. I think it went way too far.
It's a low shot though.
It was a really straight shot. Thank God.
Okay, 130 yards. I'm gonna take my 9 iron.
Oh, wait, left.
Okay, you're on the green.
On the green.
Now I'm just a little off the green. Taking my 56. Kind of bump it up there. Next to the hole. Go!
Oh,
That was a pretty good chip.
nice. Ooh, I think it's gonna rain.
Uh-oh. Look at the sky.
It's so weird. It was just really, I wouldn't say boiling earlier,
But it was
like 5 minutes ago, but I was about to take my vest off, but looks like I don't need to. Raindrops up top.
Yeah, it's getting dark. Okay, so she's going for a birdie now. She's gotta make this to win the hole.
Alright, this is to get one back. Stay.
Okay, good try. That's good.
Thanks.
Raining.
It's really hard.
We're on hole 13. It's a par 4, 328 yards. Just bunkers on the fairway, but not anything too challenging.
Driver. Okay. Oh, that was such a solid drive, but it went left. Hit.
It's a little left.
I think it's okay.
Hitting a draw.
Nice.
Wow, this is pretty extreme. We don't even own an umbrella.
No.
I think if we're gonna spend more time in the UK, we should invest in an umbrella, definitely.
Yep.
Like a golf one. I don't have the best lie, so I'm just gonna punch it and get it on the green.
Oh! Nice.
That's really good. Oh my god, I'm getting soaked. Oh.
This rain is not a joke.
5 yards. Oh god.
Like pretty heavy raindrops too.
I know, I don't mind.
Ooh, went over.
Not bad.
That's
Gotta keep going. Oh, I thought I hit that really hard. I'm just gonna try to finish this. Oh man.
Ooh, the door is open.
I've made a 5, so if she 2-putts this, she wins this hole, and we're nice.
Right.
Okay, good birdie. Oops, I thinned it, but oh my god,
what happened?
it went like in the trees. Way over. I thinned it, but I thought it would get there because I thought it would be short. But what club are you taking?
9.
Okay. Okay, on the green. Not bad, not bad. Be here. Oh, it's right here. Found it. Okay, take my 56.
We had a really solid shot.
No, not that solid, but it was okay. It was straight at least. But now it went way over the flag. I don't know where that went, but we'll go on the green and see. We're on the green. Okay, half is this birdie putt. Cat's par putt. Let's see what she can do. Okay. Okay, nice putt.
Pressure putt.
Oh, this is for the tie.
The tie.
The hole. I'm 1 up.
If Cat misses this, we tie. Oh.
Okay, we're tied now. The match is all squared.
That's just all squared. Going into
15.
6.
Oh,
Our 6th hole?
our 6th hole. 15th hole.
Yeah, 15th hole.
Alright, so we're on hole 15 at 363 par 4. It's a dog leg left. There's bunkers. 2 bunkers in the fairway, about 230 yards away, so probably not a driver hole. Take my 5 wood. Oops, I thinned it, but it went straight. I don't know if there's people on the fairway because they're trying to cross.
You hit anyone?
No.
Okay.
If you zoom into the fairway, there's people walking.
Yeah, but they have a dog.
They have a dog, so they're just dog walking.
Just dog walking.
The rain kind of stopped.
Yeah. Thank God.
But everything is drenched. This is a 5 wood hole?
I used a 5 wood.
What are you saying?
I was just saying I used a 5 wood.
You can use whatever clip you want.
Are you saying
I'm just
that
saying,
I should be
like,
using driver?
No.
Trying to use 3 wood then.
Sounds
That was a
solid.
really good shot.
Nice.
Perfecto.
Okay, I got 140 yards. Take my 9-iron. It's a little downhill. Waiting for the people to move on the right. They don't. A little bit left. Hold it.
99 yards. It's like a blue flag. I feel like all flags could be blue here, but 50-degree it is. Like a 15-footer for birdie.
20-yard chip. Using my 56 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Pretty good chip.
It's good if you want it. Okay, birdie putt.
Right to left. Greens are slow because it just rained. Like a cup, maybe like a ball to the right.
Ooh.
Wow, it like we left a lot more than I thought.
Okay, good par.
No blood.
Still tied.
Still tied.
We're on hole 16. It's a par 4, 344 yards. Approach shot is a little difficult because there is water, but the tee shot is also just as hard because you cannot see where the water is, but there is definitely water there. So I think it's under a 200 club. So I think I'm gonna take like a 180 6-iron. Wow, it's really sunny now.
I know. And now it's sunny. We'll hit just a little right side of the fairway. Okay, straight. I think that was good.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Out, hello sun. Oh, how I've missed you.
I will use a 5.
Okay,
I hit that so
Fine.
bad,
fine.
but it turned out okay.
We both have 175 yards. This is my ball.
This is good. Who wants to go first?
175.
5 iron.
Okay, 5-iron, 5.
So if a bee is on my ham, can I still eat it?
Why not?
You know how for flies you're not supposed to, but aren't bees good because they touch honey or something?
But I'm pretty
Can I
sure they
have
still
honey
touch
ham?
other stuff too.
Or is that unsanitary?
Well, did you eat it already?
No, it's
Oh.
That's why I eat your sausage.
Oh. I don't know. Comment down below what she should do.
That's not a difficult thing.
Yeah, just finish tucked. green.
So I'm gonna club down a little bit. It's a 175. And take my 7-iron so I can be on the green because the pin is. Oh man.
You're right a little. Not too bad. Cat has a long chip, but a lot of green to work with. Oh, it's gonna go. You're really uphill here.
Okay. Feel it's gonna go right to left. Super uphill.
Oh no 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 no! Oh wait. Oh, it's pretty good.
Okay, nice. I guess let me just make. Okay, nice.
And I'm 1 up now. Ooh, that was a good shot.
Nice, 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 nice. Okay.
It's to the right.
Oh, oh, hit the tree.
Oh man, I got that right. Okay. 104 to the pin. A 50 degree it is. Ooh. Oh. Spun back.
So sure.
Spun back.
Should have been perfect.
Not the easiest shot.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. A little chippy. See if you can get up and down. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh. Definitely better than what I would have done. Just going for a birdie putt. Oh. Okay, not bad.
Man. Oh, we tied that. No blood on this hole.
Okay. Have one more hole.
One more hole.
Okay, we're on hole 18. It's a very iconic, interesting hole. It's very unique. There's water on your approach shot, as you can see there. Very pretty. Have the clubhouse over there. And I think it's a driver hole. We've never played here before. But from what I can tell, it's a driver hole. Just have to hit it straight. And yeah, par 5.
I'm trying to go for it in 2. It's 220 yards to the pin. I'm in the rough, but I'm gonna use my 5-wood, and it's 204 to carry the water.
The big carry.
Gotta hit a really solid shot.
Oh, that was really
I
solid.
think it'll get over, but it's not. Go in the water.
Water?
Dang it.
Ew.
So it's 225 to the pin with a 208 carry. That's kind of pushing it for me. Probably if I hit like a solid shot, I'll hit 210 to carry, but whatever. Maybe I'll aim to the left a bit. If I aim to the left a bit, I think the carry is a bit shorter.
Yeah, it's kind of a far carry.
It did not carry.
Okay.
Oh.
We've made it to the end of the fairway.
It's 107 from here. I can drop right behind. So.
This is a very interesting course. Very interesting. So pedestrians have to take this little ferry across the green, but since we have a cart, a buggy as they call it, we get to go around.
Right.
Okay, so she's dropping for her 4th shot.
Oh, go. Go and get.
Oh. Whew. Okay, you made it.
Alright.
Nice.
I made it.
Alright, Kat's gonna drop. She's going for her 4th shot as well. Alright.
For par. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, this is for par too.
And so this is pretty.
Oh, it's so uphill. Okay, let me make this.
Okay.
Alright. Big putt here.
To tie the match.
This is, yeah, to tie the match. It's so uphill.
It's so uphill.
All right.
Okay.
I have won the match.
Good game.
Thanks. Good game. Good game.
We finished. How'd you think of the course?
It was really cool. The rain kind of threw me off a bit.
Yeah.
For a good 3 holes, it was pouring.
Yeah.
Like hailing almost.
Yeah, it was
Raining
pretty
cats and
heavy.
dogs. But it cleared up and it was beautiful. And yeah, there's some tricky parts of this course.
Yeah, I do agree. It's pretty challenging. You definitely want to keep your drives and your approach shots straight.
Yes.
The course is a little wet because it's been raining a lot, so the greens are a little bit slower than usual. But overall, it's a really nice course.
So yeah, thank you very much for watching.
Yep.
I got the win this time, so we're gonna do a
Yes.
rematch very soon in
Yes.
England.
Yes.
And yeah.
Comment down below what other matches in different areas you'd like to see. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.